I got asked to share how I did my headscarf in one of my previous reels, and I'm laughing a little bit because it's super simple and nothing that you guys have not seen before. First, start with the headscarf. I got this one off Amazon, super cheap, and then put your hair up into a ponytail or a messy bun or however you want. I had it in like a curled messy bun in that reel, but I'm just gonna put it up for, I can't think of the word. I'm just gonna put it up to show you. And then when I do this, I always leave some front pieces just because I think it looks good with the scarf, but you can do whatever you want to do. We're just gonna throw it up real fast just for this. Put the headscarf in half, and then I just fold it up from the corner in. You can probably just twist it, and literally I just went like this, tied it in a knot, and then tied it in another knot. I put this one tucked in behind and this one tucked in front, and then I just kind of make this bigger in the back. Just pull it out a little bit so that it kind of covers the back area of your head. And that was it, and you can do this just with so many different hairstyles. So super easy. I know you guys have seen it, but I wanted to share.